Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tensalo Maruja and I'm on my way to drop my daughter off at school. I'm just officially introing the vlog because I end up having to do it last minute. But I hope you enjoy. So I thought I should do a little catch up while my daughter's getting ready. She's just brushing her teeth and whatever, but everything is sorted out for her. She's getting dressed. We have about 20 minutes until we actually have to go. So I figured let me intro the vlog and also do a little bit of a catch up with regards to sorry papa. I have dealt with grief before, but not to this point where it's like my immediate family like this, so it hits different. Some days I get like a big flashback and then I feel like my chest is gonna crumble to the floor. But prayer, support from my husband, from my family. My husband has been amazing. All of these outings and whatever, he has been trying to get me to myself because I have been down for most of the time. But he's been trying to get me back to myself and my routine and everything with the things that I love to do. So yeah, shout out to him. I'm really, really grateful for the people that support me, that love me, and are always there for me with everything that I need. So yeah, that's been amazing. Everything is gonna get better as time goes, I believe. But yeah, it's been hectic. It's been hectic, but routine sort of puts you back into your normal self. Imagine a fed cookie being 650, but they are big, so it's not that much of a waste. Yeah, but 650 for one. We get these in the morning with my daughter when she goes to school, but yeah. Yum, scrum dilly yum yum. Yum yum. My kids got gifted these crazy craft playthings. The most fun. Please check out their social media platforms to see what they got up to, what they received. But yeah, cute. My daughter is starting karate this Friday. Happy times, happy times. I can't wait to see how she does. But it's something that she's been wanting to do for a long time. But you have to put the money together and everything. Kids and their extramural activities, expensive as hell. But we want them to be happy, so anything for the girly. So this is a place where you can get milk. You weigh it, well, and the list of things that are on there. But you weigh it, and then yeah, it's much more affordable and fresh.
told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same, yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me, will we on a date, babe? I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me, will we on a date, babe? I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion.
Yeah, so we just got here. We are about to go in. I don't have that much time, but I just wanted to say good morning. And yeah, we're about to go eat and do some nice family time. You know, Sundays are very chilled. If you can, make time for your family and go to church and all of those things, but it's a good set off for the week, for the new week. So yeah, can't wait. Let's go in.
He sees our pain, hears our cries, and is working all things together for our good. His timing is perfect, and his plans for us are good. In those moments when you feel like giving up, when the weight of your struggles seems too heavy to bear, remember this. God is in control. He is working behind the scenes, orchestrating every detail of your life for your good. Trust in his timing. Surrender your worries to him, and find peace in the knowledge that he is always with you. God created each of us with intentionality and purpose. We are not here by chance or mere coincidence. Just as an engineer designs an engine to run on fuel, we too were designed to run on something specific. Not on earthly pleasures or fleeting desires, but on the divine power and presence of God himself. Imagine a car, finely tuned and powerful, designed to run on gasoline, yet instead of gasoline, you try to fill it with water or air. It will not run properly, if at all. In much the same way, the human soul, created by God, cannot function properly without his presence. We were made to run on him, to thrive in his love, and to be sustained by his spirit. Without him, we are like a car without the right fuel. Broken, unable to fulfill our true potential. In today's world, people are constantly searching for happiness in their own ways. They look for it in wealth, success, relationships, and even in fleeting pleasures like entertainment or material possessions. But how many times have we seen those who have everything the world says should make them happy, still feeling empty inside? celebrities with fame and fortune, yet struggling with depression, business tycoons with unimaginable wealth, yet living in isolation. Why? Because they are missing the one thing that truly satisfies: God Himself. Without Him, all of these earthly things are temporary and empty. It's important to understand that God did not create us to find ultimate satisfaction in things of this world. While He gives us good things to enjoy, such as relationships, success, and material blessings, they are not the end goal. They are tools, instruments, and means through which we glorify Him. Real, lasting happiness and peace come only when we are connected to God, our source of life, joy, and fulfillment. Now, some people may ask, can I just be happy without all this religion stuff? Can I just live my life, be a good person, and find peace and joy on my own terms? The simple answer is no. Why? Because God is the origin of all true peace and joy. He is the wellspring from which all good things flow. Without being connected to Him, we are disconnected from the source. It's like expecting a tree to bear fruit without water, or a flower to bloom without sunlight. It simply cannot happen.
Okay, so we just finished at the Create Barn. What an amazing experience. We got to paint and stuff, as you guys saw. So they take in the things that you paint, whatever it is that you chose, and then they cook it and whatever, and then make it glossy. Then you collect it after a few weeks. So I can't wait to see it when it's all nice and shiny. But we had so much fun. What a beautiful place to come with your family. But yeah, what a beautiful Sunday spent. Happy Sunday to you all. Thank you so much for watching the vlog. And don't forget to subscribe. And I really, really hope you enjoyed it. Until the next video, bye.